Ollie from the Boat Tours. So today we are on this Sunseeker Manhattan 53 built in 2012. So we're here in JBR at anchor, so we can show you all around the boat. We can show you the engine room, we can show you the 3 cabin layout that this boat has with the 2 heads and this amazing Flybridge. This particular boat is one of the best 53s that you'll see on the market with the condition, the layout and the extras. So come on board, come and have a look. Here in the cockpit, we've got this amazing sunbed you can see, U-shaped seating with the upholstery that's been recently replaced. We've got the carbon fibre cup holders as well, and then down there we've got hydraulic swim platform that currently is holding the owner's tender, so that could be replaced for another tender, smaller one, or even a jet ski. Here we've got, on the starboard side, we've got the docking station. So very nice for the captain. It's got the Sunseeker joystick and also the engine controls as well. So emergency stops, starts, depending on which way you're moored in the marina. What we'll do now, we'll go into the accommodation and we'll show you the saloon to start. So walk with me this way. We go straight into the saloon after we've come to the cockpit. Amazing coffee table and large sofa area here to the starboard. On the port side, we've got this Samsung flat screen TV retractable, so when you're not watching it, with a click of a button, that will retract all the way down and you have a really nice surface area there. We've got another dinette table up here on another level, so you can see 360 all around when you're at anchor or even underway. This boat is very smooth. Inside helm station, so this has got the copies of everything you got on the Flybridge as well, so you can either helm from downstairs or upstairs depending on the weather. This particular boat has had all of its navigation equipment upgraded, so you can see here we've got the Raymarine touchscreen chart plotters, we've got the Raymarine auto helm as well, and then we've got the Tridatas here, the ST70s. Engine controls, so this boat has twin man, so you've got the oil pressures, you've got the fuel consumptions. Down this side we've got a bow and stern thruster, which also works with a joystick, so this is a really nice boat to manoeuvre in and out of tight spaces. And then we've also got all of the controls here for the bilges, the sea fire, everything you can want is in this one location. Moving down to the galley, here we've got this amazing worktop area. We've got huge cupboards, so lots of storage to keep your food, your drinks. Underneath you can see it's a full-size fridge freezer as well. We've got a microwave oven, sink, and all the other appliances that you need. Towards the back is the master cabin. In front of me here is the VIP guest suite, and then we've got a twin cabin here on the starboard side. So let's show you those. Here in the forward cabin, this is the VIP guest suite. We've got the island berth here, huge bed with the nice side tables. Aircon is amazing, it's got the GCC spec aircon. We've got a full standing wardrobe there and another flat screen LG. And where you're sat is the heads that are connected to the VIP suite. So we'll spin you around and we'll show you the heads. So spinning around here, you can see this is attached to the VIP, and also you can get to it from the galley as well. So big sink, a walk-in separate shower with an extractor fan you can see there, and then we've got the heads, electric heads here. Walking down the stairs into the galley here, on the starboard side we've got a twin room, 2 large single berths, lots of headroom, huge for a guest cabin of this size boat, nice opening porthole, and then this full standing wardrobe you can see here with another flat screen TV. In the master cabin, you can see this is a full beam cabin. So this is amazing, this huge bed, you've got a dressing table the other side, this really nice settee, another ensuite as well, and another flat screen TV. So you can walk around all the way both sides. You've got multimedia systems, you've got your own aircon control units, these amazing lamps, and storage here, over there, and again, full standing wardrobe. We'll show you the heads and then we'll walk out and go up to the Flybridge and the bow. Look, the master cabin ensuite here. So another mirrored storage area, huge basin, electric heads, and this huge, spacious, separated shower here. So now we've seen all the accommodation, we'll come out of the saloon here and we'll go straight upstairs into the Flybridge. Got this really safe and wide passage with the handrails both sides. We've also got this amazing carbon fibre safety door as well, so when all the family are up here you can close that and nobody's going to fall down the stairs there. Take you to the aft. As you can see, this huge U-shaped seating, this amazing barbecue in the middle of the table. If you don't want this table, this is foldable, so you can fold it over and just use it as a coffee table, or if everybody wants to eat here using this barbecue, it will fold out like this. Where you are now, we've got another sun pad, and then again I'll show you the helm up here that has all of the navigation equipment that we do downstairs. Here we are on the Flybridge helm. As you can see, they've also upgraded the Ray Marine chart plotters here, touchscreen, again the auto helm. We've got the Sunseeker joystick, we've got the twin throttles as well, and the bow and stern thrusters up here. So the captain prefers to drive from up here because he's got an amazing view, bow and stern, and he can see all the way down here to the starboard side. Let's quickly show you the bow. As you can see, we've got these two massive sunbeds here with the lifting backs, so you can relax depending on which way the sun is. We've got, again, it's carbon fibre cup holders. We've got a Lumar electric windlass. As you can see, we're using it at the moment as we're anchored. And both sides, we've got a walk around. So these safety bars come up to here, very safe for all kinds of kids, all sizes, and even adults. We've got low level lighting, so even in the dark, the boat is very safe. The ambiance is very good, and this is a great looking boat from the outside and the inside. So here we are, that's the end of this short tour of this Sunseeker Manhattan 53 built in 2012. So this particular boat is for sale with Justin at Bush & Noble, so you can contact them directly at bushandnoble.com and arrange your private viewing. Thanks very much, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.